Hey beauties, it's Alma. Welcome back to the channel. I look crazy, y'all. This is not... Hey beauties, it's Alma. Welcome back to the channel. I look crazy, guys. I definitely do have my bonnet on and I have a big t-shirt on, but today's video is a law school productivity vlog. The spring semester unfortunately is here. It's upon us. I don't know what happened to the break. It definitely went by too quick, and so there's just some things I need to do before the semester starts, including read for all my doctrinal classes and my legal writing class. I need to do that, and so I've been trying to do that over the course of this week, and I didn't because my iPad, so y'all know I do work on my iPad. I've been using my iPad for school literally since college, like freshman year. I was using it for Netflix, and I started using it for textbooks, and then junior and senior year I started using it for like notes and stuff. So my iPad is out of storage. Like, I've deleted all my apps. Like, literally I've deleted so many apps. The heat just cut on, so if you hear that, excuse that. But I deleted literally like the majority of my apps. I still don't have storage. What else? I deleted so many pictures. I still don't have storage on my iPad. So y'all, I had to make a purchase. I bought a new iPad. This iPad is just going to be for school. Ooh, the color change. Oh my gosh. This iPad is just going to be for school. It's going to be for my notes. Just anything school related is going to be on here. And my other iPad is going to be for, like, you know, other stuff, like watching Netflix and all the other stuff. But this one's just going to be for school because I just can't keep deleting things and not having storage. And then I don't want to switch over to taking notes on paper and pencil just because I've not done that in so long, and I'm just like, you know, I prefer this method. So I'm going to, I guess I'm unboxing this, huh? I'm going to open the iPad. I don't even know what kind of iPad this is. Yeah, I don't know. It's an iPad Air. The one I have right now is a Pro. I always said I wanted an iPad Air for school because it's significantly lighter. I'll show you guys my old iPad if you haven't seen it. Am I weak? Am I supposed to be showing you guys this if I'm unboxing it? Okay. Y'all, I'm struggling. Almost there. We're almost there. There we go. So we're gonna open it. I have to charge this before I use it. I do. So this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. She's so cute. So we're gonna turn her on. Pretty sure I do have to charge this before I use it. She's so, like, it's literally so light. Like, yes, I can't wait to use this for school. It comes with a charger, which y'all probably know. I do need a new charger. Does it not come with a box? Oh, it came with a box. Can't, like, the box is underneath this paper. Why can't, literally, am I weak? Okay, so I got that, and then that's all that's in here. The iPad is on. Okay, English. Let me set this up, and then we'll get to downloading my, you know, school apps. This is exciting. Do I want to transfer anything? No, right? I don't want to. I want to transfer Notability. You know, I'm gonna do don't transfer apps and data, right? I'm so confused. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna transfer anything because that would be like not what I'm trying to do. We finally made it. It says welcome to iPad. These are all the apps that come pre-downloaded. They're all about to get deleted with the exception of a few. Yeah, the first app I'm going to download is Notability because I need to see if my school notes transfer over. It's loading, it's loading, it's loading. So once you pay for Notability on one Apple device, you don't need to pay for it again. Thank the load. And I also need to download OneNote. Towards the end of the semester, when Notability was giving me like a headache and a huge problem, I started doing my notes on OneNote. So now half my semester notes are on Notability and the other half are on OneNote, and I don't want that for this upcoming semester. And so my notes haven't transferred or didn't transfer. I'll figure that out later, but right now I just honestly need to get to doing work, so I'm just going to like do a new tab, a new notebook in Notability, and I'll figure it out later. So yeah, right now my goal is to read for no, first I need to do my schedule, and then I need to what I need to do after that. Oh, then I need to start reading for my classes. Yes, so I'm gonna set up my schedule, which I'll show you guys, and then we will start reading and, you know, be productive. You know, spring 2021 semester is going to be bomb. So let's get to it. So I first go to this website. It's called Free College Schedule Maker. Like I said, excuse the heat, but I use this website called Free College Schedule Maker. I've been using it since sophomore year of college. Basically, I put everything I need to do. Is it going in and out of focus? Okay. I basically put everything that I need to do in here. So I'm gonna put all my classes, like my filming times, my uploading times, all that. I'm gonna do that in here. Right now the calendar goes from Monday through Friday. For last semester I changed it to make it go from Monday through Sunday, but I just can't remember how I did that. So let's see. Oh, I think I just figured it out. Now it shows that it's going from Monday through Sunday. I've already had this conversation on my channel before, but I'll say it again if you missed it. I believe that Monday's the beginning of the week. However, if you feel otherwise, you can make Sunday the beginning of the week, but I personally believe that is wrong, so I'm going to make it Monday. So now that that is done, I'm gonna go in and fill up my class times. My classes start as early as 9 o'clock, I believe. So when I input a class like let's say 9 a.m. let's say till 10 Monday, it's gonna, like, 9 a.m. is not gonna appear even though it wasn't there before. So I'm gonna do this for a little bit. After this I will start reading. I'm not sure what class I'm gonna read for, but we'll figure that out together. So yeah, I'm gonna do this and I'll catch y'all in a little bit. I just wiped my new iPad just to like clean it down, so you probably can see the white prints on here. But do you guys see? Wait, y'all can't really see. Okay, yeah, now you can see. Do you guys see the size difference? Like, this iPad is so small compared to my old iPad, but you know, I like that. So yeah, school iPad, everything else iPad, everything else iPad, school iPad. So I'm happy I made this purchase. So yeah, I'm about to start reading for property. I put up my property book. I don't even know what pages I'm supposed to be reading, but we about to figure that out right now and then get to reading, because baby girl, like, I need to get on it. I did buy a new Apple Pencil for my new iPad, but I think I'm gonna return this and just use my old Apple Pencil for both my iPads. I think this was an unnecessary purchase, so I'm gonna take this back but still keep the iPad. So yep, y'all can't even see me, but just know I'm here. I have 41 pages to read for property, so I need to get started now. And so yeah, so y'all enjoy this little montage of me you know, of me working and trying to get this property work done. So I'll talk to you guys after I'm done all this.